held after the storm. I run and run as the rains come, and I look up, I look up, on my knees and out of luck. I look up. Night has always pushed up day. You must know life to see decay, but I won't rot, I won't rot, not in this mind and not in this heart. I won't rot. And I took you by the hand, and we stood tall and remembered our own land, what we live.
Good evening. I'm Jamie Yuccas in Los Angeles. While marking the unofficial end to summer this Labor Day weekend, more than 200 people at a California campground had to be rescued by military helicopters. The Creek Fire in Central California has burned at least 46,000 acres. It's one of at least 3 major wildfires across the state, fueled by extreme heat and high winds. Jonathan Vigliotti is on the front lines near the Sierra National Forest.
An inferno raging out of control tonight in California's Sierra National Forest. The 100-foot flames destroying homes, leaving a trail of destruction.
We are completely trapped.
And even trapping campers.
All the roads are burnt.
California's National Guard airlifting more than 200 people to safety from Mammoth Pool Reservoir. The dozens injured are recovering tonight. The Creek Fire they escaped from burning more than 46,000 acres so far.
The sheriff came and told us that we didn't have to evacuate, but he was advising we do because he didn't know if the fire would jump the road and we couldn't get out.
More progress tonight in the battle against the Creek Fire. It's now 34% contained. And take a look at this. The green areas on the map show where evacuation orders have been lifted. The yellow areas are still under a warning. The red areas are still under evacuation orders. Today, Assemblyman Jim Patterson surveyed the Creek Fire damage, including a power plant that's been offline since the start of the fire. CBS 47's Madaris Fab joins us live from the command center at Sierra High School. Madaris.
Assemblymember Jim Patterson telling me that when the plant is up and running up there, it creates around 1,000 megawatts of power. That's enough electricity to power about 1 million Californian homes. But it's been damaged, and there's also roads that have been closed and homes that have been destroyed. So for now, the future uncertain.
I don't think it's any different than what I expected, but the reality is there. And so you just have to accept what was there.
An emotional goodbye for Marianne Fitzgerald as she looked out at her property on Jungletown Lane.
The front door was right next to that, what I called the entry room. I had church benches from the church when they replaced the pews.
This home a sanctuary for her and her family, especially her grandchildren.
It was a good time for the kids up there.
These black lines show the inferno traveled right up to the Southern California Edison power plant, the employer of many Big Creek residents and a crucial source of California's energy.
And when you have a plant like this that goes down because of the fire, 1,000 megawatts go off. He's got to find it another way.
The plant plans to get back up and running, but no one is allowed in the area until crews can make it safe. Once the community is able to, they will have to choose to pick up the pieces and start from square one.
But I am going to rebuild. I don't know if it'll be in this particular spot, but
and although Fitzgerald said she plans to rebuild in that area, she says that 3 of her neighbors are not going to. And it's not clear when exactly the community will be allowed back up near Big Creek. Reporting live from Toll House, Medeiros Babb, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.
I got rice cooking in the microwave. Got a 3-day beard I don't plan to shave. And it's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say, hey, I'm a-doing alright. Yeah, I think I'll make me some homemade soup. I'm feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink nor drug-induced, no, I'm just doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Oh yeah. It's been 15 years since I left home. Said good luck to every seed I'd sown. Gave it my best and then I left it alone. I hope they're doing alright. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see? A lone wolf there staring back at me. Long in the tooth but harmless as can be. Lord, I guess he's doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's lonely, sometimes it's only me and the shadows that fill this room. Sometimes I'm falling, desperately calling, howling at the moon. Tattoo, or take my old Harley for a 3-day cruise. Might even grow me a Fu Manchu. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? It's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good?
There's a cabin in a valley my grandpa built on your land. Your mountains are a canvas for the maker's hand. Tonight I'm fishing Elk River, if only in my mind. seen her banks in such a long, long time. I carry you in my heart. Your memory comes over me like the dark and like a phone call from my baby saying, honey, I miss you like crazy. Like a sound of a siren song. Oh, Carolina, you keep calling me home, calling me home. Sometimes I grow weary from going all the time. I love to take a minute and let you ease my mind. I love to see my mama, maybe go for a drive, but I gotta play the star in some little town again tonight. Oh, don't get me wrong, I love what I do. It's just another song about missing you, like a phone call from my baby saying, honey, I miss you like crazy. Kinda like a siren song. Oh, Caroline, you keep calling.
Watching everybody else having fun. Well, I don't miss much if it happens on the dance hall floor. Mercy, look what just walked through that door. Well, hello, T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Tell me what in the world you doing, L-O-N-E. Yeah, I say, hey, good L-O-O-K-I-N-G. Well, I smell T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Yeah. I was a little bitty baby when my papa hit the skids. Mama had a time trying to raise 9 kids. She told me not to stare cause it was impolite. She did the best she could to try to raise me right, but mama never told me about nothing like a Y-O-U. That your mama must have been another good-looking honey too. Hey! L-O-O-K-I-N-G. Well, I smell T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Sexy walking, honky talking, baby. The men are gonna love you and the women gonna hate you, reminding them of everything they're never gonna be. Maybe the beginning of a World War III, cause the world ain't ready for nothing like a Y-O-U. I bet your mama must have been another good-looking mom.